In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Wix website. The first thing you want to do is head to the Wix homepage and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you will arrive at your dashboard. If you manage more than one website, go to the My Sites page and choose the specific site you want to work on. After that, look to the top right corner and click the blue Edit Site or Design Site button to open the Wix editor. Once you're inside the editor, it's helpful to understand that your website is organized into separate pages. To move between them, click Pages and Menu on the left side toolbar. From there, select any page in the list, and it will load into the main editing window. If you need more control over a page, click the three dots next to its name. This gives you options to rename it, duplicate it, delete it, or hide it from your navigation menu. Now let's talk about editing your existing content and layout. Wix uses a visual drag and drop system made up of horizontal sections stacked down the page. So changes are very hands-on and easy to see. To edit text, simply double-click any text box. You can type in your own wording, change fonts, adjust font sizes, or even use the built-in AI text generator if you want help drafting copy. To replace images, click on an image and choose Change Image. You can upload your own files or browse free graphics from the Wix Media Library. Buttons can also be updated very easily. Click on any button to change its label or update where it links. Whether that's another page on your site, an external website, or a document. If you want to update a full section quickly, select the horizontal strip and click the Quick Edit pencil icon. This opens a side panel where you can change things like background colors, videos, and titles without rebuilding the section from scratch. If there's anything you don't want, click the element or section and press Delete on your keyboard. Or right-click and choose Delete. To add brand new content, click the plus button on the left sidebar. From there, you can drag and drop items like text boxes, contact forms, social bars, and shapes directly onto the page. If you want to add a full pre-designed area, click Add Section in the left menu and browse templates, such as About Us, Services, or Contact. Drag one into place between your current sections and Wix will automatically shift the layout down for you. To update the overall style of your website, click Site Design on the left sidebar. Here, you can change the site theme to apply a matching color palette and font set across all pages at once, which is a great way to keep your site looking consistent. Before you finish, click Preview in the top right corner to test your links and watch your animations the way a visitor would. When everything looks right, click the blue Publish button to make your updates live. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.